Hello guys, welcome back. Now I want to show you how to create or design ID card in Photoshop. So let's start. Create a new file. There you can't find the ID card size. Change first into centimeters, and the standard ID card size is, the weight is 5.5, the height is 9 centimeters. So there, control resolution in 300 pixel per inch. So if you need to for print, use the CMYK color. If you need to use this for digital web, select RGB. In final, click create. So the ID card size is ready. Go to view, go to guide, select new guide layout and set the size here 555 millimeter. Select, you can change the color of the guideline and go back to view. Don't forget, lock the guideline. And now let's design for black and red brand color this ID card. I need to use the rectangle, hold Alt plus Shift key on keyboard, create a design and change the black. Select move tool, hold Shift, sit here, hold Alt, click OK. And now I need to use a red rectangle color, hold Alt Shift, create and change the color red. Ctrl Z, don't forget, select the rectangle, select the shape, hold Alt key, create a red rectangle like this and click Alt Shift, rotate from here. You can rotate, take a look, sit right there and apply, press A for direct selection and set straight point here and hold Alt key, make one more copy, Alt Shift, rotate, set to the corner, change the size, set to corner, apply, select the pen tool and now a little bit darker. Okay, so guys, let's hold Alt key, one more copy, rotate, Alt Shift, set right there, apply and press A to direct selection, select this point, move it down right there and zoom out, make more smaller. Let's change the color, bright red color like this. Okay guys, and now time to use the photo. Select circle, draw to the center and move, set to center. One more copy, make a copy right there and change from fill to stroke. Use stroke and hold Alt, make little bit big size. So select the ellipse. Let's use a photo. I need to use this one. So the brand color is red and black. You can't use the blue color. It means first you must change to desaturate, copy and paste by pressing Ctrl C, Ctrl V. And let's control the level. Okay, hold Alt key, change the size and move up. Little bit big size. Apply. Go back to layer, create clipping mask. Great. And right here the name, change the color black. Okay, right here select, go to paragraph, set to center. So well, let's write one name. What name? Sakila Manzakila. Sakila Manzakila is the beginner, or I think the label one book is named. Change to bold, the Sakilan bold, and change the size, set center here. Hold Alt key, one more copy, double click right here, graphics designer, and change the size of the graphics designer. So go back to paragraph, select not good, graphic designer and VFX artist. Write something a little bit longer. 4.5 is enough. Apply and zoom in. Okay, zoom out, hold Alt key, one copy, double click, change the size, press the up arrow key, select. So write ID number and change to left side. Enter again. Write blood. So let's write more. Write email. Write phone. Select all. Go to character paragraph control. Make a little bit more space. So and now right here, make a space. 1 2 3 4 5. ID card number 1 2 3 4. So 1 2 3 4 5. Right here A plus 1 2 3 4 5. And right here Sakila at Manzakila photoshop.com. 1 2 3 4 5. So right here the phone number, like, and make apply. Okay, so what's if you have logo, you must put the logo right there. So if you need to design the other side of the ID card, you must go to image, duplicate. Okay, so in this side it means you can delete these layers, and here you can put what? The QR code. You can put the QR code right there for a scan. So in final, you must go to file, save to PDF presentation. Okay guys, thank you for watching. This was about ID card in Adobe Photoshop.